to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another juice review for you guys. It's going to be the last juice of this range. The range is Mad Elixirs, as you guys know. The flavor is called the Jigsaw. So the flavor profile is a peanut butter ice cream with chunks of nougat drizzled in caramel. So it sounds incredible, guys. Very complex, a lot more complex flavor than the other two that are in the range. But it sounds really good. I've been vaping it quite a bit. I've been enjoying it. It's quite an interesting flavor. Very different to the other two, like I said. But let's give it a go. Let's see how it goes in the tank and in the dripper. I'm going to be drinking water in between the two just so that I can clean the palate, so that it's not like it doesn't confuse it and anything like that. I'm going to try and start introducing that into it so that I get more accurate sort of flavor tastes kind of thing, so that it's not mixed and all that. But let's give it a go. Let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to give it a go in the tank first. Let's see how it is. Okay, so this is quite a good flavor. It's a, you know what, if I could put it in words, it's almost like it's an all-day vape. Definitely an all-day vape. I could vape this all day. It's not an overpowering flavor. It's a little bit more on the subtle side compared to the other two flavors in the range. Very nice, actually. I definitely get the peanut butter. Very, very well done on that peanut butter, by the way. It's not, you don't get the burnt sort of toast flavor that you normally get when you vape peanut butter flavors. You get just a creamy peanut butter sort of flavor to it. Very nice. Also a little bit of sweet from the caramel. I don't get the nougat. To be honest, I don't get the nougat in it. It's almost like the peanut butter and the caramel kind of overpower the nougat a bit there. But a very nice flavor. Again, not overpowering. Very good all-day vape flavor, guys. In the tank, very nice. I could definitely vape this without getting sick of it. Very, very good flavor. Goodness. Let's crank the power up a bit. Maybe see if that does anything. Looks like the warmer it gets, the more the caramel comes out. It's like a bit of slightly sweeter with a bit more heat. Quite a good flavor though. Very, very nice. Like I said, good all-day vape in the tank, guys. Very, very nice flavor. Well done on the peanut butter, getting that right. Yeah. I really like that. But let's give it a go in the dripper now. Let's see what different points I get from the dripper. Yeah, there's not much to say, guys. This is a good flavor, solid flavor if you're looking for a nice all-day vape ice cream flavor. Alright, let's give it a go in the dripper. Let's see what different notes I pick up from this. Wow. So completely different in the dripper. Strangely enough, completely different. I'm getting a lot more nougat actually. So I'm getting the nougat. I get a hint of caramel in it. Not much. I get the peanut. I don't get like the whole peanut butter sort of vibe. I definitely taste the nougat in there. Wow, that's actually really impressive how different it is in the dripper compared to the tank. Jeez, that's, I've never had that before, guys. I've never had a flavor where in the tank it gives one flavor and in the dripper it gives a whole completely different flavor. Very, very nice. Oh goodness, I wouldn't be able to tell you whether I'd want to vape it in a dripper or a tank, to be honest with you guys. I guess it would all depend on what what you're looking for. If you're looking for a more sweeter peanut butter sort of vibe, definitely give it a go in the tank. If you're looking for more, goodness, how do I put it? A more, I wouldn't say dulled down, but more of like a nougat sort of flavor, I'd say give it a go in the dripper, guys. It's very, very nice. That's very interesting, guys. Wow. So, guys, like I said, I wouldn't be able to pick. It would all depend on my mood, whether I'd do it in the tank or the dripper. Very, very, very good flavor. Very interesting, intricate, sort of complicated flavor. But yeah, no, otherwise, guys, very, very nice. If you're looking to give this a try, guys, if you haven't tried it already, I highly recommend giving this a go if you're looking for a nice all-day vape, slightly sweet, no ice, very nice, sort of different flavor. You gotta give Jigsaw a try, guys. If you want to find it, you can only find it at Vaping Mad. Again, I'll leave the link down in the description, guys. If you have tried this, however, guys, let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section below. What do you guys get of it? Is it your favorite out of the range? Let me know, guys. Yeah, otherwise, thanks so much to Mad Elixirs for letting me review their range, guys. You gotta check them out. Very good ice cream flavors. Very, very, very premium sort of house brand flavor. Again, thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button, as well as if you have not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down there so that you don't miss any of my content. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
How bad did we want